Yeah, and I think there's a freight coming. Holy shit, it's fucking pissing crazy now. Holy Christ. There we go. Awesome. Oh, it's rare I get the opportunity to film a train in heavy rain, let alone a freight. And is it a freight? Yeah, man, Norfolk Southern, yeah, buddy. Woo, right on, that's beautiful. Camera's getting a little wet though, a little spotty. There we go. See, good things come to those who wait. Now my dream though is to film a freight in the rain. Yeah, sorry, in a storm, thunderstorm. Hey, Norfolk Southern of all things, right on. It's funny because usually in the evening there's one going west, not the other way around. That's well, east, southeast, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I don't like this fucking car in the front here, this Focus or whatever it is, but I like the color. It adds to the video. Same with this little shitbox. Yeah, look at that, short and sweet, eh? Alright. Well, that is what it is. This is a quesada. Okay. Bell's still ringing. Is there another train coming? Camera's still getting wet. Nope.